Hello to everyone. Now I present Nomos, turns agent work into a user-owned execution history. Most AI products stop at output. Nomos go further. It breaks work into substacks, routes each task to the right model, and stores the execution trail as carryable records on arkiv. I start on the home page. What matters here is that Nomos is not just another agent interface. The goal is to make AI execution inspectable after the run is over, not only while it is happening. Now I open the run screen. The user experience is simple. You provide one goal and Nomos handles the composition, classification, routing, execution, and legal writing. For this demo, I'm using a preset that mixes tasks with different level of complexity because that makes the routing logic easier to see. Once I start the run, Nomos first breaks the goal into substacks, then it classifies each task and assigns the cheapest model that can still do the job well. That matters because not every task needs the most expensive model. Simple work can go to HQ, more involved work can go to Sonnet, and only the hardest tasks need Opus. So the system is not just automating work, it's making model choice explicit and cost aware, so important. As the run progresses, the steeper show each stage of the pipeline. At the task level, you can inspect which agent handled the work, which model was selected, and what that decision cost. Then the savings panel shows the difference between the actual routing spend and the enabled baseline of sending everything to a higher cost model. So the routing logic is not just visible, it's measurable. Now, the most important part is the receipt panel of arkiv. This is where the run becomes durable. Each run is stored as 4 linked entity types: jobs, substacks, routing decision, and execution on receipt. Instead of leaving this process inside app logs, Nomos write into a carryable ledger on arkiv. That means the run is still inspectable after the end. You can open the Explorer links, see the real transactions. See the real transactions, the hashes, and carry to run directly through data point arkiv. Okay, now. So what you get is not only an AI workflow that completes work efficiently, but a system that leaves behind a verifiable execution history. In one flow, Nomos take a goal, routes it intelligently across the models, and leaves a ledger that shows what's happening and how it's happening and what it costs. Nomos makes AI execution cost aware while leaving behind a record you can actually inspect. So Nomos turns orchestration from a black box into something carryable. The arkiv persistent is real. The recipients, the receipts, links, transaction hashes, and queries are real. So thank you for seeing.